All right, so we have someone who wants to go with the butterfly haircut trend and go pink. Let's see what the stylist ends up doing. Oh, wow, this is absolutely stunning. I love the cut and color combination. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Next up, looks like we have a beautiful bob haircut. Now the stylist is doing quite a bit of layers throughout this bob. And layered bobs are a great way to add some shape to your hair versus more of like a traditional bob style. The layers are really gonna add a lot of volume. Beautiful. Her hair looks so much thicker with the layers put in. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Stylist mixes in some color. And then of course, the stylist also does some cutting with this hair change. Ooh, look at that color. Really like the dimension that it has, and she did a beautiful bob hairstyle. So there is the before and there is the after. What an absolutely gorgeous, breathtaking makeover. I am in love with this bob style. Very chic. Ooh, she even added some waves. So next up, we have one of my personal favorite hair trends, and that is the split dye trend. So we've been seeing split dye hair for quite a few years now, and it definitely seems to continue to grow in popularity. So she's gonna be getting some extensions with this one. She has like a really pretty fuchsia and brown brunette mix. And she also added some bangs in the front. Look at all of that hair. So beautiful. Such a fun hairstyle idea. So we move on to the next hair transformation. This one is also going to feature a color change. watercolored hair with the blue money piece highlights. Oh, I love the color combination. Wow. Very pretty. And what's nice about this style is that it's very unique and bold. Definitely not a hair color that you would see every day. And then we have our last transformation. So she is going to get a cut with this one along with some color. Beautiful blonde shoulder length bob. I love the dimension within the color, very pretty. Alright you guys, so I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle options and ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.